From the cables to the cloud, I control every layer. TCP, IP, I'm the digital slayer. 4 layers deep, yeah, I break it down quick. Application on the top, making data look slick. TP, FTP, sending vibes so free. That's where the browsers talk straight connectivity. TCP, as the model we ride. Packets on the net, flowing worldwide. From the source to the desk, it's a smooth transaction. Every single bit moves with satisfaction. Transport on the move with TCP tight. Reliable delivery, your packet in sight. UDP's fast, yeah, skips the checks. But it's perfect for the stream when the beat connects. Network layer flex, IP is the king. Routing every packet like it's got a pair of wings. IP4, IPv6 on the scene, making sure addresses stay nice and clean. Link layer low where the signals collide. Ethernet, Wi-Fi, keeping data alive. From Mac to the frame, it's a one-way street. That's the TCP IP wrap, now repeat the beat. That's the TCP IP wrap, now repeat the beat. NepHack in the house, breaking knowledge so raw. Cybersecurity with rhythm, respect the law. From packets to the ports, we educate with pride. TCP IP forever, let the data ride. 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 NepHack in the house, breaking knowledge so raw. Cybersecurity with rhythm, respect the law. From packets to the ports, we educate with pride. TCP IP forever, let the data ride. 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 Let the data ride, data ride. Let the data ride.